Welcome to Hunter's Hooks. I'm Chef Grant, and today I'm going to do chicken fried venison with a fried egg on top. I mean, what else do you need? I mean, that's pretty much the greatest thing in the world. So, got your venison right here. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Put it through your flour, like so. In the flour, have salt and pepper. That's it. Put in the egg. In the egg, I have nothing. I have egg. And then I'll move the next piece right over here to this is a panko breadcrumb and flour mixture with a little bit of chili powder and salt and pepper. Trying to make it sound fancy, but pretty much just ready. Done. See that little cutlet? Done. Do 2 more, and then we will fry them up. All right, oil's ready to rock and roll. Here I go. I'm gonna set these inside the pan like so. You can hear it just sizzling on up. Set this down and down, and there we go. They get nice and golden brown. Fried food, my favorite. All right, and right here I'm gonna make a little pepper gravy. Some pepper inside the roux. I got the roux already going. It looks good. Probably could use just a hint more flour. Make a big mess, it's okay. And we're gonna add a little bit more flour. It looks like it needs it. Flour in, thicken that up. There we go. Nice dark roux. We'll add the cream. All right, the gravy's made. The venison was fried. Now it's time to hit the egg up and then bring it all together. Here goes nothing. Stage. The yolks are intact. Yeah! That's how it's done, folks. That's how it's done. In case you're wondering how to flip an egg without breaking the yolk, it's all on the wrist. So I'm excited. You're probably not, but I am. And now we're gonna make this dish. All right. Chicken fried venison is here. Got your venison fried out. You got your eggs that we flipped and did not break, which I have to say it's amazing for me because I haven't done that in a long time. And we got our gravy right there. Bam! Pepper gravy. I'm gonna take some of this pepper gravy. There's people want to put over top of it. I say no, 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 no. Let's dress the bottom of the plate first, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Then we'll take our 3 pieces of chicken fried venison like so. Now we're gonna place these 2 beautiful eggs that I didn't break, which I'm gonna continue to say because a lot of people don't know how hard that is to not do. And then I'm gonna take some more pepper gravy, and now we will go over top. Like that. Bam. I'm gonna finish this off with some sliced tomatoes. Got my tomato right here, washed, ready to rock and roll. Let's move this sideways like that. Slice it down. So. Just make it go across the top. All pretty like. Bam. Well, there it is. chicken fried venison. Looks good enough to eat. And I didn't break the egg. Ah!
Go to huntershooks.com to see more videos. See you there.